Hello students, our subject for today is Maths, chapter number 5, Fractions. Children, in our previous video, we learnt about like fractions, unlike fractions. We also learnt how to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. So today, we are going to learn about comparing, means have to compare like fractions. Comparing fractions with equal numerators. Comparing unlike fractions. So children, today we are going to learn these 3 points. Here, a strip is divided into 5 equal parts. It means that each part is 1 upon 5. So children, the colored part is 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 means 3 upon 5. Now the white part is 1, 2 means 2 upon 5. How we will write 2 upon 5? 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. Is it clear, children? This is the colored part and this is the white part. Children, now we can compare which is greater and which is smaller. Children, 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. I mean, this fraction is the greater fraction and this is the smaller fraction. This is written as 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. We will see the next example. Children, can you all see this strip? We will count the equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A strip is divided into 8 equal parts. 3 of the parts have one color and 4 have another color. So children, 3 upon 8 and this is 4 upon 8. Children, in like fractions, the fraction with the greater numerator, we will see the numerator because here this is the like fraction because denominator is equal. Denominator is 8. Here also denominator is 8. So we will see numerator. And children, if denominators are equal, then with the greater numerator is the greater fraction. So children, which is the greater numerator? Yes, the greater numerator is 4. So this fraction is bigger fraction. Is it clear, children? If denominator is equal, we will see numerator and the numerator which is greater, that the fraction is greater. Here the numerator is smaller than 4. So this fraction is the smaller fraction. Children, we will see few examples. Here your question is 3 upon 8 and 9 upon 8. We will see, we will compare like fractions. Children, this is the like fraction, right? Because numerators are equal. 8 is there. Here also 8 is there. So, when our denominators are equal, we will see numerator. And at that time, जो बड़ा है वो बड़ा फ्रैक्शन होगा. 3 और 9 से बड़ा कौन है? 9. तो ये है हमारा ग्रेटर फ्रैक्शन. We will see the next example. 11 upon 6, 5 upon 6. This is the like fraction. So, the greater numerator is 11. So, this is the greater fraction. Means 11 upon 6 is greater than 5 upon 6. We will see next example. 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 2. Children, now you tell me which is the greater fraction? Yes, the greater fraction is 5 upon 2. Our fourth example is 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 3. This is the like fraction. So we will see numerators. Numerators means ऊपर वाला number. So children, 5 is greater than 2. So this is the greater fraction. Now children, our fifth example is 4 upon 1 and 6 upon 1. Children, 1, 1. We will see numerators. Here numerator is 4 and here numerator is 6. If denominators are equal, then the numerator is bigger, that fraction is bigger. Students, I hope you all understood how to compare like fractions. Now, we will see comparing fractions with equal numerators. Here you all can see that numerators are equal. 6, 6, 6. Numerators are equal. 1, 1, 1. Numerators are equal. So children, I will tell you how to compare such fractions. Children, you have learned that the value of fractions with numerator 1 decreases as the denominator increases. Here, our first strip is divided into 3 equal parts. 2 of the 3 equal parts of the strip. 2 upon 3. It means 1, 2, 3. From 3 parts, 2 parts are colored. Now we will see the next strip. 1, 2, 3, 4. The strip is divided into 4 equal parts. 2 of the equal parts are colored. So 2 upon 4. See the next strip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Children, your strip is divided into 5 equal parts. From that, 2 parts are colored parts. Now I am going to write these fractions. 2 upon 3, 2 upon 4 and 2 upon 5. Children, now check the numerators. 2, 2, 2. Numerators are equal. So children, in such cases, the smaller number is greater and the greater number is smaller. Of two fractions with equal numerators, the fraction with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. बच्चों, मतलब जब भी न्यूमरेटर हमारा इक्वल होगा तो जो फ्रैक्शन छोटा है, इनमें से डिनोमिनेटर में बताओ मुझे कौन सा नंबर छोटा है? 3 is smaller, but in such cases 3 will be bigger. 4 and we will compare 4 and 5. 5 is bigger, but here numerators are equal, so 4 will be bigger. Is this clear, children? of two fractions with equal numerators, the fraction with the greater denominator is the smaller. और जो smaller होता है वहां पर क्या आता है, ये कॉर्नर, और जो बड़ा होता है वहां पर कौवे का मुंह कैसे आता है, ओपन आता है. Is it clear, children? We will see few examples. Here, your first example is 8 upon 3 and 8 upon 5. Children, numerators are equal. तो बच्चों उल्टा करना है, जो छोटा है वो बड़ा और जो बड़ा है वो छोटा. तो बच्चों 3 is bigger here. Okay? See next example. 5 upon 7, 5 upon 2. Numerators are equal. So, the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. तो greater denominator है वो है हमारा smaller fraction. Smaller है इसलिए वहां पे हमें पीठ करनी है, मतलब कौवे का मुंह बंद हो जाएगा. See the third example. 9 upon 4, 9 upon 5. Numerators are equal. So children, greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Greater ये है तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा smaller. We will see fourth example. 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. Children, now you tell me which is the greater fraction and which is the smaller fraction. Yes, this is the greater fraction. यहाँ पे बस क्या होता है, उल्टा होता है. Denominators are equal. 1, 1. So children, greater number will be smaller and smaller number will be greater. So 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 9. Students, I hope you all understood this. Now we will see comparing unlike fractions. Children, to compare unlike fractions, we convert them into their equivalent fractions. Children, in our previous video, I taught you how to convert unlike fractions into like fractions so that their denominators are the same. So children, we will convert them and then we will compare. Okay? So the first example is 3 upon 6 and 2 upon 4. Children, check the numerators. Here the numerator is 3. Here numerator is 2. Both are different. Now we will check denominators. 6, 4. Denominators are also different. So in such cases, we will convert them into their equivalent fractions. Yesterday, children, in our previous lesson video, we learned how to convert them. So children, can you all tell me which number is coming in the table of 6 and also coming in the table of 4? Yes, 12. So children, the common multiple is 12. 6 2s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. So first we will convert the first fraction. 3 upon 6 multiply by 2. So here we will get 6 2s are 12. Same thing we will do for numerator. So 3 2s are 6. In denominator we want 12 because 12 is the number which is coming in the table of 6 also and in the table of 4 also. 4 3s are 12. Same we will do for numerator. 2 3s are 6. 4 3s are 12. Children, are you all able to see this? 6 upon 12 Here also 6 upon 12. So children, we will write here 6 upon 12 and 6 upon 12. We can say that both the fractions are equal. दोनों के यहाँ पर हमें सेम आंसर मिला है, तो ये फ्रैक्शन कैसा है? इक्वल फ्रैक्शन. बट इन फाइनल we will write 3 upon 6 is equal to 2 upon 4. We will see the next example. Here, your question is 7 upon 8 and 14 upon 16. Children, can you all tell me which is the greater fraction and which is the smaller fraction? No, we can't tell because here numerators are different and even denominators are different. But 16 is coming in the table of 8. So we will convert this 8 into 16. But how? So children, 7 upon 8. We want in denominator 16. So children, 8 twos are 16, 7 twos are 14. See here, we got the answer 14 upon 16. Here we are already having 14 upon 16. So children, we can say that these are the equal fractions. In final, we will write 7 upon 8 is equal to 14 upon 16. Students, I hope you all understood this. So children, now we will see next example. Here our fractions are 3 upon 6 and 1 upon 4. We will compare both the fractions. We will find which is greater and which is smaller. For that, children, first tell me which number is the common multiple. Here 6 twos are 12 and 4 threes are 12. So children, 12 is the common multiple here. We will convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. Three twos are 6 and 6 twos are 12. Now we will convert this. Here in denominator we want 12. So we will multiply by 3. Here also we will multiply by 3. 3 ones are 3. Children, now tell me 6 upon 12 and 3 upon 12. Which is greater? Denominators are equal. Means greater number will be the greater fraction. Same question we will write 3 upon 6, 1 upon 4. Children, in final we will have to write like this. This is the greater fraction. Students, I hope you all understood how to compare unlike fractions. Your next question is write the proper symbol from greater than, smaller than or is equal to in the box. Here your first fraction is 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 6. Denominators are equal. So children, this is the greater fraction. See the next example. 8 upon 13, 8 upon 11. न्यूमरेटर्स आर इक्वल. अगर हमारे न्यूमरेटर्स इक्वल है तो बड़ा है वो छोटा है और जो छोटा नंबर है वो बड़ा है. सो द बिगर नंबर विल बी स्मॉलर and the smaller will be bigger. See the next question. 6 upon 1, 6 upon 5. Again, numerators are equal. So the same rule we will follow, that is, greater will be smaller and smaller number will be greater. So the greater fraction is 6 upon 1 and the smaller fraction is 6 upon 5. See the next example. 5 upon 11, 6 upon 11. Denominators are equal. 11, 11. So children, greater will be greater and smaller will be smaller. Your next question is 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5. Children, both the fractions are equal. So we will put is equal to symbol. Is it clear? Now tell me the answer of last question. Yes. Which is greater and which is smaller? Yes, this is the greater fraction. 5 upon 7 is the greater fraction and 5 upon 9 is the smaller fraction. Students, I hope you all understood the video. Thank you.